In this video, I will show you how to download any video from any website on Chrome easily and quickly. So let's get started. First of all, go to Chrome Web Store and then search here Video Downloader Professional. Then click add to Chrome this extension, add extension. Then click on here and pin this extension for easy use next time. Now go to any website and download the video. Let me show you how. Uh, Suppose I am want to download video from Amazon. Find a video on Amazon. There is a video. Click on this icon. See all the videos are here and click download. Then save. See download is started. Let me show you another website. To download Mixcut video, it's same process. Click on this icon. See all the videos are here. Then save. Using this extension, you can download any video from any website on Chrome browser. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel.